Meaning of heart-throb.
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 Heart-throb. Heart-throb is an idiomatic expression commonly used to describe someone who is excessively attractive or appealing, usually in a romantic or sexual sense. The term is often used to describe celebrities or people who are particularly popular among a certain demographic. A heartthrob can elicit strong feelings of infatuation or desire in their admirers, which can range from harmless crushes to full-blown obsessions. In popular culture, heartthrobs are often portrayed as desirable and unattainable, adding to their mystique and appeal. Overall, being labeled a heartthrob can be seen as both a compliment and a burden, depending on the individual's perspective.